I'm going to take this peach cider made by Sanko company in Japan. They have a cute rhino on the can. I'm going to open it. Okay, everything. Okay. Drink this. Smell peach flavor. Good. A good peach taste, but not too sweet. Very good. I'm gonna take this Hakata style Japanese ramen. This is pork soup base. And I'm gonna cook it on the stove top. I'm gonna open it. Open. So there are two. One bag, and with the seasoning and the soup base. And this Hakata ramen is a 3 major Japanese ramen style. So let's see what's inside the seasoning. Yeah. Ah, this is the powder, seasoning powder. We cook it on the stove top, and then we put it in boiled pork, green onion, and mixed vegetable. I'm gonna take a bite, stir, mix a little bit. Smell. Oh, very good pork soup flavor. This nice egg over here. Very good pork soup taste. Excellent. It's the green onion mixed very well and the pork. Very good. Try this. Very nice. I'm going to taste this Japanese Gyoza spicy beef flavor, and it's made by Shirakiku, a famous Japanese frozen food brand in the United States. I'll cut this open, and this is a sealed bag. So they got zipper on here. So open by the zipper. Up, zipper. Up. Okay, take it out. And we're gonna do microwave and air fry. I'm going to taste Japanese Gyoza spicy beef flavor, and this is air fry, and this is microwave, and they're already fully cooked. I'm going to taste the air fry first. So let's cut it open. Crispy. Cut it out. So it's yours. Crispy outside, and it got good taste, beef flavor inside. Very good. Yes. Nice. Taste the microwave. Wow, this is soft. Cut it inside. Taste this. But this is soft. And the beef is a little bit spicy, not too spicy. Very good.